Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of exercise 10.1 from circles chapter from NCERT class 9. The first one is the center of a circle lies in dash of the circle. So here the given options are exterior and interior. So we know that the center of the circle lies interior of the circle. This is inside of the circle. So this is interior and this is the center and this is exterior. So the answer is interior. Next one is a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. Here the options given are exterior and interior. So a point whose distance from the center. So take a point which is from center, it is greater than the radius. This is the radius, this distance is radius, and this point is greater than the radius means it is outside the circle. So that is exterior part of the circle. So the answer is exterior. Next one is the longest chord of a circle is a dash of the circle. We know that a chord of a circle is a line segment joining any two points on the circle. So here they ask longest chord. We know that longest chord is the diameter which passes through the center of the circle. So here the answer is diameter. And next one is an arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of a diameter. So if you take an arc, those ends, this is the arc ends which are ends of the diameter means that is a semicircle. So the answer is semicircle. Next one is segment of a circle is the region between an arc and dash of the circle. We know that segment means that is between the region between an arc and a chord of a circle. So here the answer is chord. And next one is a circle divides the plane on which it lies in dash parts. We know that a circle divides the plane in three parts. Those are interior, exterior and boundary of the circle. So the answer is 3. Now I am going to tell the solutions of second problem. Here some statements are given and we have to write true or false and we have to give the reasons for that. And the first one is line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. Yes, we know this because we know that the center to any point on the circle is called radius. So that is true. Radius is a distance from center to any point on the circle. This is the reason for this. Next one is a circle has only finite number of equal chords. Finite means limited number of equal chords. This is false because we can draw number of equal chords, many equal chords. Here I have taken 5 centimeter chord. A chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So we can draw number of equal chords. This is a 5 centimeter chord. So we can draw many 5 centimeter chords in this circle. So this statement is false. The reason is a circle can have infinite number of equal chords. Next one is if a circle is divided into 3 equal arcs, each is a major arc. If you mark 3 points with equal distances on a circle, if you observe these 3 arcs are looking like minor arcs because these are shorter than semicircle. So this statement is false because major arc is longer than the semicircle, but here all are minor arcs. Next one is a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is a diameter of the circle. We know that a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So if the chord is twice as long as its radius, that means that is a diameter. We know this. So this is true. Diameter is the longest chord and it is twice of radius. This is the reason. Next one is sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. This is false because we know that the region between the chord and an arc is called segment. So this is false and sector means the region between the two radii and the corresponding arc. So this is the reason. Next one is a circle is a plane figure. Plane figure means it is a two-dimensional shape. So this is true. A circle is a plane figure because a circle is a set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point, that is the center of the circle. Now do this crossword by using the clues here.